from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
A man is shot in western Henrico County, and plans for a new police precinct in the Varina district are approved. We'll tell you about it in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Wednesday, October 26, 2022. It's brought to you today by the law firm of Barnes & Deal.
And now for the news.
Henrico's Board of Supervisors last night voted to award a contract to Mosley Architects for a little more than $904,000 for construction of a police precinct in the Varina district. The project is expected to begin next fall and be completed by early 2025. The board also voted to reject an unsolicited proposal by another company, VB Pro Partners LLC, that was seeking to build the station instead. Supervisors were set to approve the agreement with Mosley at their October 11th meeting, but VB Pro Partners had submitted their unsolicited proposal just a week before that meeting, requiring a working group to be convened by County Manager John Vitolkas to analyze that proposal. Every member of the working group decided to recommend rejecting it, according to Brandon Hinton, the Deputy County Manager for Administration. The unsolicited proposal omitted several critical items, according to Hinton. A man was shot in a Glen Allen neighborhood on Monday night, and police need your help to find the shooter. It happened at about 9:45 p.m. in the 4600 block of Halley's Circle. That's just off Hungry Road near Francistown Road. Police arrived to find the adult male with gunshot wounds. He was taken to a local hospital and was in critical but stable condition yesterday. The suspect was described as wearing dark clothing, was masked, and appeared to be wearing gloves. He or she fled on foot in an unknown direction. If you have details, call Henrico Police Detective Rosser at 501-5247. If you happen to have surveillance video from that area around the time of the shooting, you're asked to send it to police@henrico.us. You can also submit tips anonymously through Metro Richmond Crime Stoppers by calling 780-1000 or visiting p3tips.com. Well, the Sandston Branch Library is closed until next month as it undergoes a significant renovation project. The closure took effect in September. The first phase is already done. That's the addition of new lighting. New carpeting also is slated to be added throughout the building, as well as new shelving, upgraded audio-visual equipment, and the building's interior will be painted. The additions are similar to those made at other recently renovated library branches in the county. The total cost of this project is about $327,000. During the closure, the mobile library will visit Sandston's parking lot on Fridays from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And be sure to check out this week's edition of Gametime Henrico. It's our weekly recap of high school sports from the county. You can find all the details right now on henricocitizen.com. Look for the sports section at the bottom of the page. Also right now on henricocitizen.com, you can check out the latest installment of our weekly column, Savvy Senior. This week it details home sharing, which is a growing trend among baby boomers. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Barnes & Deal. Barnes & Deal has emerged as a highly respected family law firm over the past 3 decades with the resources, skills, and experience necessary to handle high-asset divorces and other complex family law matters across Virginia. To learn more, visit barnesfamilylaw.com, that's B-A-R-N-E-S, or call 796-1000.